was warming up my vocal cords. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Nathan here with Brookside Landscape and Design. And today, let me turn you around so I'm not looking like a guy. Today we're gonna work on a brand new pondless waterfall. So, enough of that nonsense. There's all of our product. Leaning tower of felt right there, so that's kind of cool. We're gonna turn this here blank canvas into a water feature. So that's what we're doing. It should be here for about 3 days. It's gonna be really cool because everything we do is super cool. Well, we're pretty spot on. We've got our basin dug, nice hole. We managed to over excavate plenty for the first time in a long time. And we're going to then install, we've got our stack of felt over there, those tall boxes. So we'll do felt on the bottom and then liner and felt, and that protects the liner from underneath. It protects the liner from rocks and roots that grow through and poke through. And then it protects on the top of the liner, protects the aqua blocks. We've got these super sharp points here, protects the liner from stretching around those points and being punctured, and just protects the liner. So we're going to go ahead and drop everything in and then start shaping our shelves for our rocks. My name is William Shatner. All right, well, we are all done shaping our dirt, and the sun has decided to take off, so that sucks. I guess it's time to put a sweater back on, really. But here is our shaped hillside. So what we're going for here is maybe a little bit of a kick to the left, and then going up the hill. We've got a really sharp kick to the back to the right, and then up there in that area is where we'll have a waterfall spillway. Baby, I love the way you do. I don't even know how the lyrics go. Okay, day 2. We are going to start setting some rocks on that there shelved dirt face. If you're curious what rocks mean, these boys. And there's Adam. So we've got some rock out here to get us started. Should be everything we need. We've got kind of a actual full crew, piecemeal crew, but it's a full crew nonetheless. There's some gravel and there, and there's nothing in there yet. And then here's most of the Columbia Granite we're gonna need for the day or this whole project. We'll find that out as we go. And some 1 to 4 inch river gravel.
So here's what we got. And now time to do some, time to foam. ET foam home. All right, boys and girls of the Brookside YouTube page, we have the Pondless Waterfall is all foamed up. And then, you know, we'll let her dry, and then first thing tomorrow morning, give her a little test run, and then see if any water is kind of running underneath the rocks or kind of in the cracks and crevices. And if it is, we'll shoot some more foam in there, and if it's not, then she's all good to go.
Buenos días, señores. Mi nombre es Nate y Mark. Good morning, everybody. This is Nate. We got Mark and Scott's over in the truck back there. We had the water running this morning, and then we found out where we need to put more foam at. So we just, you can see Mark's cleaning the foam gun there. We are going to get going on some edge treatments, finishing up the foaming, and then yeah, it's gonna look beautiful when we're done. Well, hopefully you can hear the sound of running water behind the camera, which means that we are pretty much wrapped up out here. So what we're gonna do is not show you that till the end of the day, suckers, and show you a finished product. So yeah, we're just doing our edge treatments here. Bark final touch is gonna fix up the lawn, and then we'll be all wrapped up. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
All right, guys, we are out here finishing up the WF and PO, slang for water feature in Port Orchard. Your boy Scootsy, Marky Mark over here, is about to fire up the water feature. We'll get you some sweet footage as the clean new water starts to flow.
Party.
3, 2, 1, blast off. Ooh, here it comes. That's what we call a pondless waterfall.
Because there's no pond at the bottom.
Yep.
It's because at the bottom it's just rocks. There's no pond.
All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Get familiar with Brookside Landscape. We are coming at you with more water features, more videos, more lawn renos, more walls, more patios, hardscapes, lawns, pondless waterfalls, ponds without waterfalls. List keeps going on, baby. Fountains, custom features, we do it all.
It's crazy. It's real crazy. It's Brookside crazy.
It's
crazy.
It's freaking brazy, dude. All right, love you guys.